Hello YouTube world. I just wanted to do a kind of show how I tune my rifle, the m60B, Snowpeak m60B. I got some 29 grain NSA and then some 33.6. I'm gonna just kind of walk you through how I tune my rifle, and we'll crank it all the way up and see how much foot-pounds of energy or what kind of speed we can get out of it. So I screwed up all my settings. I usually run 135. I turned it all the way down to 100 bar, back the hammer all the way out. And so we'll just kind of crank this thing up and see where it ends up. So 29 grain, 100 bar.
826.
Okay, we got 126. This is how I tune my rifle. Well, you know what? I'm gonna go up to 125 bar, because a lot of times you could get a lot of guns to work at that. I'm just turn it up to 125 bar. $125.
789.
789. Let's view that shot. So wow, it even went down lower. So that means that we have nowhere near enough hammer to even open the valve. So I'm going to take this up 2 full turns. I had it all the way backed out essentially. So let's see what it is now.
884.
884. Let's go up another whole turn.
888.
So we went up just a little bit. Let's go up another half turn.
879.
See how it dropped? So what's that? That's telling me that my hammer, can you see where I'm pointing at? So that's telling me my hammer is hitting just not the valve stem, but it's hitting the valve base. So it's bouncing off of that, and that's why my speed dropped. So I need to lower my hammer down so the hammer just hits the valve and just floats there and then bounces back. Right now what it's doing is it's smashing against the valve body. So I'm going to just back this down a quarter turn.
898.
There we go.
893. 891.
So we're kind of settling in there. I could probably just kind of tweak it from there and get it exact. Get it, get the standard deviation really low. So now I'm going to crank it up. We're at 125 bar. I'm going to take this thing up to the max and see what it's going to do. I'm going to take it up all the way to, I don't know. We'll take it up to, let's see how harsh it is. Let's see how harsh it will go. Let's take it up to 19. My reg isn't really stacked. My reg isn't really stacked for 1900 bar to work all that well, but excuse me, 190 bar, excuse me. $180. Oh wow. kind of excited to see. I don't know if okay, we're at about 190 bar here. Let's see what, you know what, now I'm going to go in 2 turns on my hammer because I know it's going to take it. Wow. Oh, it's going to take a lot of hammer. I'm at 185 bar there. You know what, I'm going to run my hammer. Oh, I just took it in quite a ways.
1007.
1007 at 185 bar. Oh, that's pretty much maxed out. The hammer's maxed out right now, so maybe I have too much. Let me see. We had 1007.
900.
Yeah.
95.
That was pretty much it.
$1,004.
1004. 1004 with a 29 grain. I don't know what that is. Someone figured that out for me. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to put, I have a 33.6 grain. You know, something else that actually could probably work a lot for a lot of different people's air guns is you know, say your accuracy goes away, it's just not there. Clean your barrel, and then a lot of times you could get your gun to shoot, bring it right back up to accuracy by shooting some soft lead through the barrel. These NSAs are kind of hard, so you know, what I've done in the past is I'll run some JSB through there, some soft lead pellets or anything that's soft to slick up that barrel again, and then my accuracy comes right back. Something else too, something for other air guns that you might own. Say you don't have a hammer adjustment, you know, you're just kind of restricted with your tuning capabilities. The size, the diameter of the slug can help lower your standard deviation as well. So, especially like the 22, it's like there's just so many options in regards to, you know, what diameter size slug. So, you say you're having difficulty getting your standard deviation down, keep going up in the diameter of the slug to get your standard deviation down. And then you play around with how many, you know, how many grains of, you know, how heavy that slug is. So it can, you know, then you can tune with the weight of the slug. First tune by the diameter, and then you tune by the weight. So here, I'm gonna run some 33.6 through here, and we'll see. I'm just kind of curious to see what. Some 33.6. What are we, 1,000 something for 29? I'll put 4 in here. Let's see what she shoots.
958.
So we went to over 1,000. What was that? 1,007 to 960. Going from the 29 to the 33.
951.
I suppose I might, I don't know, my hammer's pretty much maxed out. I'm at 182 bar.
949.
So at least you guys have some numbers now. You're over 1,000 with the 29. You're at 950 with the 33.6. 183 bar. I could probably go up a little bit farther on that with my reg, but in either case, just wanted to, kind of teach you how I set up my gun. Over and out.